He said
I understand your Arabic very clearly.
Alhamdulillah.
It has to be translated for the sake of English-speaking people.
He said, by the grace of Allah, 50 of us, men, women and children, came from Kababir to attend the annual gathering here in the United Kingdom, and this is primarily to confirm our love and our loyalty to the system of Khalifa and Jamaat. And he said here we really felt the real sense of brotherhood with every Ahmadi Muslim brothers here, either black or white, with everybody here we felt that sense of belonging and brotherhood. And our main goal to achieve is to spread the real Islam, which is Ahmadiyya. And he has requested Hazur to accept them as one group. Also, he has requested Hazur to have a photograph together towards the end of the program.
That will do, inshallah. But let me comment on the first part of this question. This morning I received a telephone call from someone who said that the sum total of the impression created by Jalsa was the unity. There was a complete unity between all visitors from everywhere and all who participated there. And this is the most important or the most distinguished feature of this Jalsa. I'm glad to hear that you have also noted the same thing. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. That is my observation about your observation. The second thing which I must share with you, which regards my observation of the wafat. As far as their loyalty is concerned, no words are needed. Simahum fi wujuhihim min asad sujud. There is no shadow of doubt about that. But one thing which has made me further happy, happier than that, is that many young boys, mostly young boys, are participating. So that augurs well for the future of Ahmadiyya in Kababir. Because, first please, because these young boys and some girls, they are going to change the future of Kababir for Ahmadiyya, and will no longer have any need for trying to reform the older people. Generations which we have inherited, of those generations, it's very difficult to reform them when they're away from here and back to Kababir. You have not yet completed. I said, Islam here is evident, but Islam when the older generation return to Kababir, then they slide back. But the younger people, inshallah, will not do so. Younger generations are exempt from this.
Why?